Hey guys, it's Tyra and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is a long-awaited wash day routine. This video will be in 2 parts. That's 4. 2 parts. This is the first part of the video. I'll be showing you guys how I wash my hair, how I prep it for washing, how I condition it, detangle it, all that good stuff. The second part of this video will be my wash and go, where I show you guys how I get the famous fro. So stay tuned for that. And before I start this video, you might as well go down there, hit the subscribe button if you aren't already, and just hit the bell because that's free too. Who wouldn't want to be notified when I post a new video? Just do it. Like, just do it. But yeah, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Let's start this because I don't want to look like this anymore. I'm ready to get cute. Because I'm already cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by taking down this bun. She gotta go. She was cute while she lasted, but she crusty now. She just gotta go. I don't even know how many bobby pins I have in this, but let's just take her out. Oh my gosh. My hair felt like just dreaded up. Still got a bobby pin. I cannot hop into the shower like this because 1, my hair isn't detangled, and 2, I didn't put my little concoction in it yet. So I'm just bringing you guys with me to the kitchen and I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite pre-poo. Okay y'all, so starting off, I'm just going to take my favorite conditioner by Trader Joe's and I'm gonna put about a cup of conditioner into the bowl, and then taking some organic raw honey, I'm gonna take about 1.5 tablespoons, give or take, maybe 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put that into the bowl as well. And now taking some olive oil, some EVOO, I'm taking about 1/4 cup. And some main choice growth oil, this is about 1 tablespoon. And lastly, some Jamaican black castor oil, and I use 1 tablespoon of this. And I just mix it all up. It's real simple, real easy, anyone could do it. So we have the mixture all made. I'm gonna apply this and I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 hour. Sometimes I let it sit overnight if I'm lazy, but I really need to get my hair done. I don't have time, so we just want to apply that. And I'm just going to apply it in sections. I'm going to section off 6 sections. Okay, so now that we have our hair sectioned off, I'm just going to start off with this section. And I'm going to spray some water just to loosen up all the tangles. You don't want to drench it, you just want to like spray enough water so your hair, you just want to spray enough water so your hands can run through easily. gonna take a scoop. And apply it. Probably take my rings off because I don't want them to get lost. Twist. So it's really simple. This concoction really like melts all my tangles away. I've been using this concoction for years now. It works for me. Sometimes I'll switch it up. I'll add coconut oil, or I'll use a different like hair growth oil. I just use whatever I have, honestly. The key is just making sure you have a good conditioner that you know your hair likes. And I know my hair likes honey, so I make sure to apply some honey in it. Olive oil is my favorite oil, so I add some of that. And just work from there. As you can see, my hand is gliding through super easy. It just melts all the tangles away. So I'm done applying my pre-poo, and I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour, maybe 2, depending on what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm gonna cover this with a plastic bag, probably put a scarf on so the heat can really trap in and it can soak in my hair. And I'm just see y'all when it's time to wash this out. So yeah, see y'all later.
Okay, so I'm just rinsing out the pre-poo, and I'm rinsing it out in sections just so my hair can stay detangled. And when I'm done with that, I take some shampoo. Today I'm using the Trader Joe's shampoo. I just love Trader Joe's products so much. Like, they're inexpensive, the ingredients are great, so yeah, I'm just using that. As you can see, I'm not using any like fancy scalp massager because I'm cheap. I don't want to spend my money on that. My hands work just fine. And I just wash, rinse, and repeat. These are just some of my other favorite shampoos, one from Main Choice and one from Kera. If you don't have a Trader Joe's in your area, I recommend these two. Okay, so now moving on to the conditioner. I'm using Trader Joe's. This video isn't sponsored. Like, I really just love Trader Joe's products. But yeah, this is by Trader Joe's, and just applying that in sections. And then detangling it, going from the bottom, working my way up. Once I'm done, I just twist up the section and I put in a Bantu knot, and just to get it out of the way. And I just repeat it over my whole entire head. Okay, so when I'm not using this conditioner, I use several others, ranging from Aphogee, The Main Choice, Curl Me Happy, Shea Moisture. You know, I'll list all my favorites down below in case you guys want to check those out.
Now that my hair is all detangled, I'm gonna let this conditioner sit, and I'll be back when it's time to rinse it out.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take down the twist to rinse out the conditioner. I let it sit on my hair for about an hour and a half. And yeah, I'm rinsing it out in the sections just to minimize the tangles. I then take the twist out, you know, just fluff my hair or whatever. You know, I'll be feeling myself sometimes. So once I'm done, I just clip all my hair up. And I tie it in an old t-shirt because we don't use towels over here. If you want to see my wash and go routine, let's get this video to 2,000 likes and I will drop it. If you guys enjoyed this, until next time, see y'all later.